2022 Mercedes AMG A45S. So on this vehicle we fitted a Ghost Immobiliser. So now if I start the vehicle, engine will come on. If I try to drive the vehicle without the password, it will shut the system down, as you can see. If we now switch the vehicle off and restart the engine again, we can input our demonstration password, which will be on the right hand side of our windows. We get our 2 flashes in the bottom right hand corner, and then once we do that, we can then put the vehicle into reverse or drive, and it will remain in gear. That allows us to now drive the vehicle. We have the ability for service modes by simply inputting our driver's window 5 times. It will now flash in the bottom left 5 times to acknowledge you've pressed it. We can now switch the vehicle off. That is now in its servicing mode, so we can now switch the vehicle back on. And if we attempt to drive the vehicle will be on, even though that there is no password been entered. You simply re-enter your password. Once the vehicle is started, you get 2 flashes on the left hand side. That will now reactivate the Ghost again, ready for its new procedure. So if I now start the vehicle, as you will notice, if I try to drive the vehicle, it will shut the vehicle back down again. And that's how the Ghost Immobiliser works.